If you're a Unity game dev, you must hear this. So, recently the CEO of Unity, aka Mr. EA, has announced a new pricing system. So essentially, they have this thing called the pay-per-download pricing scheme. So here it will charge devs at a fat fee for every install when it meets a specific revenue. So for example, a Unity game like Among Us will need to pay 20 cents per install if it reaches a certain threshold. So let's do the maths. If Among Us says 2022 stats was at this new system, this means that they need to pay a whopping $24 million for Unity's fee, and it does not even count for other expenses such as Steam. So, the crazy thing about this is that there was reports of dead threads. Yeah, dead threads, literally. Everyone hates Unity now. And what's even more interesting is that the CEO was part of EA, which makes sense really now. And yeah, so what do we do about it? I mean, we can all march together and protest for Unity to change, or just switch to good old open source. So open source like Godot or Unreal will do the trick, especially Godot, where there's a potential to make good games in a simple Pythonic way. In conclusion, I hope that Unity will be able to resolve this issue, and as well as good luck for y'all indie devs out there.